The first task is to unpackage the FA and FUA filtered water sample bottles, which arrive from the field in a sealed polybag to protect them. Take out the polybags one at a time. Each bag contains an FA and an FUA sample from the same site. Check that the two bottles have the same 6-figure numerical site number. Wipe clean the outside of each bottle with some disposable blue laboratory roll, ensuring that the cap is tightly secured. Inspect the bottles for dirt around the cap or exterior for large particulate matter in the sample, and that the correct sample volume is present. At this stage, each sample bottle is renumbered. Ensure you have a Pentel permanent marker pen to hand. On the opposite side of the original label, write the identical site number again, ensuring you start at the cap end. If you cannot fit all 6 digits together on the smaller FUA bottles, you can write the first 2 digits on one line and the other 4 digits below. Arrange the bottles on the work surface, keeping each pair of FA and FUA samples together in parallel rows. Arrange the samples in numerical order. Deal with each set of samples one at a time. Continue this process until all of the samples have been removed, checked, and doubly labelled. When complete, count the number of pairs of samples and note this. The next step is that the larger bottles marked FA must be acidified, while the smaller bottles marked FUA must be bagged for safe storage. Use the large heavy-duty polybags to store the samples. For a new batch, clearly label each polybag with the applicable site number range, 1 to 50 and 51 to 100 for each field batch. For the samples to be acidified, write sample type FA underneath. For the unacidified samples, write FUA underneath. Now place the FUA samples in the FUA bags, carefully ensuring that the numbers on the bottles correspond to the range of numbers on the polybag. When all the FUA samples have been bagged, they must be refrigerated for storage.